We are so excited to announce the latest and greatest from Heat Press Nation. I'm talking about the brand new HPN Craft Pro mug and tumbler heat press. Now this is going to be a 2-in-1 mug press, so it's going to come with 2 attachments. Now there's something really special about these new attachments. These feature HPN's exclusive TruePrint element technology. So when you're looking at budget heating elements, you'll notice that the heating element, the actual metal filament that runs through the silicone is very, very thin. The TruePrint heating element, however, is up to 5 times thicker than what you're gonna find on other mug presses. So this means that you're gonna get a much more consistent and even heat distribution on your products. Now, that's what's featured on this. Now, like I said, it's a 2-in-1. So the first element that's gonna come with the machine, when you get your new Craft Pro mug press, it's gonna be already installed, already inside, and that's gonna be for your ceramic mugs. You can also fit a few other items. For example, we have these pencil caddies and 16-ounce glass steins. Those are also gonna fit in here. But it's mainly designed to fit mugs between 11 and 16 ounces. So of course you see right here, I have my 11-ounce mug. This is gonna fit perfectly. Just gonna pop it in there. That's gonna fit perfectly inside of here. Of course, this mug press also features dual pressure adjustment points. So right here on the back, we have 2 adjustable pressure knobs. It's gonna allow us to really open or close it up to accommodate whatever we need. Again, it's gonna fit 11 to 16 ounce coffee mugs. So that's really exciting. Of course, I mean, there's lots of really great features that I love about this mug press. Of course, I'm gonna turn it on. We have the digital controller here, and I love that it's digital because you just push a few buttons, right? You could set the time. You could set the, up here, we're gonna set our temperature. You set the temperature on top, and then of course on bottom, you could set the time to whatever you want it to be. It's already heating up, so I don't want this to get hot because I'm gonna show you something right now. But yeah, so you turn it on, super easy. What's really cool, actually let me turn it back on. I wanna show you what also I love about this is that the timer is automatic. So when you lower the handle, you hear that beep, it's already gonna start counting down. So these are a lot of the pro features that you find on our Signature Series mug press that we've brought to the Craft Pro line. Now again, I mentioned this is a 2-in-1, this is a mug and tumbler heat press. So right here, I have my TruePrint tumbler attachment. Now we have another video where it shows exactly how to swap them out. I'm not gonna do it right now, just because we have a lot of ground to cover here. But that's gonna be the attachment that fits your 20-ounce tumblers. It actually is gonna fit, so we carry here at Heat Press Nation, we carry 14-ounce, 16-ounce, 20-ounce, and very soon we're gonna have 30-ounce tumblers, and this tumbler attachment, or tumbler attachment right here, is gonna fit all of those tumblers. Again, it's gonna go all the way from 12, 16, 20, and 30-ounce tumblers. You're gonna be able to press it right here. Now, I'm gonna be honest, this is probably one of my favorite new products to come out in a really long time. I love that at Heat Press Nation, we're always innovating, but what's really cool is that we're always listening to our customers. As some of you guys might remember, a few years ago when we launched the tumbler attachment for the Signature Series mug press, that was a direct result to you, our customers asking us to make a tumbler attachment. So we hear, we listen, we hear you guys, we see your comments on the YouTube videos, we see your posts in the Facebook group and on our Facebook page, and we are listening. And so a lot of questions came in about, hey, is there a more affordable option for heat pressing tumblers? And we're so proud to say that with this brand new product launch from the Craft Pro line, yes, this is gonna be the most affordable way you could heat press tumblers with a quality heat press that's backed up by Heat Press Nation's 1-year warranty and free lifetime technical support. Now, really quick, I don't wanna go too deep into this. You guys have heard me talk about it so much, but that support is very, very key for your success, and I'll tell you why. When you purchase items from discount websites or big online, auction sites or whatever, it's not gonna come with any support. Once you're past your return period, that's it. If you have any issues with the machine, you are out of luck, my friend. That's not the case with Heat Press Nation. We have a 1-year parts and labor warranty on all of our products and free lifetime technical support. So even if you're past your warranty period, If you have a question about the machine, if you're having any issues, pick up the phone, give us a call. Our team is happy to get you taken care of. Not only that, another thing that I really love about the Craft Pro mug and tumbler heat press is that it really empowers so many more people to get started, to get creating. We have so many awesome customers, awesome viewers out there like you who are super creative, and maybe you just need a little push. Maybe you just need that extra little bit of equipment. Maybe you're tired of doing your tumblers in the oven, or you're looking for a more consistent result. We want to empower you to get creating and start customizing items that you never even thought possible. So we're really excited about this brand new product launch. If you have any questions at all, you can talk to us over at heatpressnation.com. You can chat with a live representative, or you can get on the phone and give us a call at 800-215-0894. We're standing by and ready to take your call. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Thank you so much for watching, and do yourself a favor, go to heatpressnation.com and check out the brand new HPN Craft Pro mug and tumbler heat press. See you around, everybody.